This is the next match for High Rise. It's 114. He just put that he won, and he has never came to my game. I don't have my preferences on my. I don't have it on away or busy, so he could send me an invite. I'm sending him an invite. I host First Map. I've been sending him invites since 1 o'clock. He's still online in a party. He's not joining. Send him multiple messages. I have not got any messages, have not deleted nothing. Just waiting for him. It's now 1:15. He forfeits the match. And I'm just waiting for it to be 1:16 before I could end the video. I'm still sending him invites. He's still in a party. He's probably signed, probably away or busy. So in his video, it's looking like I'm not sending him an invite, but I am. All right. Thank you.